As the founder of your business, as the CEO of your business, what is your highest leverage work? That's what we want to talk about in this video. You see, if you want to build a business that gives you the freedom, that a business that does not depend on you for everything, a business that actually works like clockwork without you, and the business makes you money through the you're literally making money through the company's efforts, through the business's efforts, and not your own efforts, then this is the one thing you must do. This is your highest leverage work, and that is hiring people. You need a team, you need to hire people in order to build a business that gives you freedom. You see, the most common reason that businesses fail to grow and businesses fail to work like clockwork is not the lack of system. It's the lack of people, especially the right people, as Mike Michalowicz talks about in his book, Clockwork. You see, the rule of thumb, if you feel you could use some help, it's time to go find people, it's time to go hire people and get that help. You must get rid of the tasks that drain your energy and give them to other people, so that you can love your business again and you can grow it to its full potential. If you are trying to do everything in your business is not going to be a very effective, scalable, profitable business. With that said, how do you go about it? Well, first of all, you need to hire people who have the right attitude, who have the right traits, the right strengths, and not only that, whose values are aligned with the way you do business and what your business truly stands for. That's going to be really crucial, because once you are clear on your mission, you need to be able to convey that to the people you're about to hire, so that you can make sure that you have the right people working for you. Not only that, you will need to train them for all the different skills that they need. So you're going to hire people for attitude and traits and strengths, but you're going to train them for skills. The whole idea, when it comes to hiring, you have to get the critical tasks on the business done by your team. You have to create documents, systems, and processes so that the team can do the things that you were doing. Now, you may not enjoy creating systems and documents and processes. You don't have to do it. You can get your team to do it. And in fact, they will do a better job. You can hire people, you can work with them, you can get them to start creating those documents. And as they start creating those documents in their current role, then you can hire more people in that role to fill and to improve on that documentation process. Mike Michalowicz talks a lot about this whole systemization process in the book as well, and we talk about it in another idea in this summary. The key here is to understand that the highest leverage work in your business is always going to be hiring. Here are 2,000 books. I've seen this multiple times. So for example, I'm not a very organized person, and I was trying to organize all the different pieces of the puzzle of the business, all the operational pieces of the business, and it would just tire me out. Then I transitioned one of our staff writers who was really good at systems and processes, and I asked her to take on more project management responsibility and operations management responsibility, transition her into more of an organizational role. And that has freed up so much of my time, of my mental bandwidth to do the work that I enjoy doing more. Similarly for the book summary process. Earlier, it was just me doing all the summaries, reading the books, mind mapping the books, doing the summaries, all that stuff. And then I stepped out one step at a time, one part of the summary process at a time. I gave it to my writers. You see, I still love to read books. Reading books is one of my all-time favorite activities, but my team can handle the remaining 90% of the book summary process that it takes to actually summarize the book. The most important thing to understand in the whole writing process, and this was something very hard for me to get as well, is that you can't really run away from hiring. Hiring is not going to be fun. You never know which employee will work out, and you have to invest a lot of time and energy before you see the returns on those people. And that's why most businesses stay stuck, because they do not have the patience to stick with those people to see if they're working or not. It is the highest leverage part of your business. Once you can get someone to do the things that you were doing, you have just created massive leverage. You've created so much more time and space for yourself so that you can move on to the higher level tasks. You can scale and leverage your business even more. So hiring is really the only way to build a business that can scale and create massive value in this world. So don't try to be the lone warrior and don't try to do everything. That's when you will fail, and that's when you will struggle to have a business that goes beyond a certain limit. If you want to build a business, you need to hire people, you need to train people, you need to create systems and process for them so that they can help you grow the business. Remember, hiring is the highest leverage activity in your business. In the book Behind the Cloud, billionaire entrepreneur Mark Benioff, who's the founder of Salesforce.com, he says, as the CEO, you have to accept hiring as your number one role. Hiring is literally your number one role. Here, I have connected the mind map to that book, to that idea here in the summary, so you can check it out. He literally talks about how hiring is as important as generating revenue. You can check it out if you have access. For all those who have access to this mind map in the entrepreneurship book summary pack, you guys can check that out. Remember, hiring is your number one role as the CEO of your business. So this was a crucial understanding for me when I read this book Behind the Cloud by Mark Benioff, and he said hiring is as important as generating revenue. That really changed my perspective on hiring. Until then, I used to hate the hiring process. But once I realized it is my number one role, now I see it as the only way to grow the business, and I'm always looking to hire the right kind of talent to grow our business. In the book Entrepreneur Roller Coaster, Darren Hardy talks about the same idea that he learned from a billionaire, and I'm going to just take you to that mind map. You can click right here to go to the mind map if you have access to this book summary pack. Here he says, the billionaire told him, be a quitter, literally. Quit all the different roles in the different phases of your business in order to grow your business. So I have finally come to the realization as the entrepreneur that the business that can afford to hire the most number of talented people will always win. Remember, hiring is your highest leverage activity. It's not just one of the many activities. It's not just one of the many things you do in your business which you can choose to do or not do. This is your highest leverage activity. As Mark Benioff would say, this is your number one role in the business. It's as important as generating revenue. So that is really crucial. You must go about hiring people if you want to build a great business. Now, if you want me to coach you to build your online business, I am opening up enrollment for our 6-figure accelerator. You can go check it out at 2000books.com/coaching. In that accelerator, I will teach you how to make your first $100,000 in your business. So if you are interested in building your business, if you are a YouTuber, podcaster, blogger, if you are building a business that's based around selling information products, then check out my coaching program, the 6-figure accelerator, at 2000books.com/coaching.